Hello friends, welcome to Buddhula's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share easy chocolate cake recipe. Let us start the batter preparation. I've taken 1 cup of maida, half cup of condensed milk, 1/3 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar powder, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda and 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I've taken a bowl here and I'm adding the ingredients. This is butter. You need to mix it really well. This is 1/3 cup of butter. So just press it nicely and mix it well so that it becomes a smooth butter. See, it is nicely done. So now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar powder. Okay, now you need to mix both these ingredients nicely till it becomes soft. See, it has become very smooth and soft. So now I'm going to add half cup of condensed milk. Okay, and again I will mix it. Friends, always remember when you add each and every ingredient, mix it very well. The more you mix it, the cake batter becomes very soft and very smooth, and you will get a nice spongy cake. You need to mix it really well. See, you can see. Just see the consistency, friends. This is how it should be. So let us add now the dry ingredients. I'm taking 1 cup of maida, okay, and 3 tablespoon of cocoa powder, then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda. Just strain it nicely into the batter. Like this, just strain completely. And mix the batter nicely with all these ingredients. Keep on mixing till it becomes smooth. Just mix it in this way in a circular motion. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And friends, I'm using curd. So if you want to use, instead of curd, you can also use milk. So around 3 to 4 tablespoon of curd will go into this. Now I'm just mixing it all together again, all the ingredients. Just see, friends, how nicely it is getting mixed. So I feel that 1 tablespoon of curd more is required, so I'm adding it. As I told you, 3 to 4 tablespoons are required so to get this perfect batter, and just mix it in this form like circular motion. You can see how smooth our batter is looking. So actually this is a perfect consistency for a cake, any cake if you do it. This is eggless cake, so I'm not using eggs. So instead of eggs I'm using curd. You can use milk also. So I'm greasing the tin right now, post which I will just add the butter paper. Okay, greasing is done. I will just put the butter paper inside the tin like this. Place it nicely and apply some more butter over it. So greasing is now done. I will start pouring the batter. Friends, since I'm doing it without a oven, so I'm using a cooker here, and you need to heat the cooker at least 10 minutes before. Once the batter is done, you need not have to keep the batter for too long outside, otherwise your cake will not turn out to be spongy. So let us start the baking process. I will show you how it goes. So I've taken a cooker here and added some salt and a circle tray like this, ring like this, and I've heated it for 10 minutes, friends. So you need to preheat for 10 minutes, and the batter that we have prepared, we'll just put it over it, and you need to keep this for around for 30 to 40 minutes with a lid over it. So it takes at least 30 to 40 minutes for this cake to cook. So in between you can check. So 30 minutes it's done. So you can see how nice the cake has become. So if you put this toothpick inside that and just remove it, you'll see it is not getting stick. That means the cake is done. Just check it from all over side. Maybe in between it is not cooked. You can see it is properly cooked now. So I will just switch off the gas. So friends, in between just check it, and if you want you can keep it for 5 more minutes. So I have just removed this from the cooker and just try to from the corner with the help of knife. So I'll just place a plate like this and grease it some with butter. See, like this, demold it, gently tap it over, and you can demold it on this plate. Slowly remove it, it must be hot. So nice. Look at this, friends. It's a perfect cake, sponge cake that it turned out to be. So remove this butter paper. How nice the color is looking of a chocolate cake. I'll show you the add-on preparations now. What add-ons are going to needed for this. I'm preparing a sugar syrup here. I've taken around 4 tablespoons of sugar and added some water, and just quickly give it a nice boil. You not have to be very thick sugar syrup. Just give it for a quick boil for 5 minutes till the sugar gets melt. And in another pan I have poured cream and dark chocolate. As you can see, I've placed around half cup of cream and added some dark chocolate. This is compound chocolate, friends, which is easily available in the market. So I'm adding it in a cream so that it gives us a smooth texture which we can apply it over the cake to give it a nice beautiful look. So now see, it's done. So let us start with the assembling of cake. So on this plate, I've removed the upper layer of the cake which was round. So now the cake is even. So I'm adding some sugar syrup over it so that our cake will be a little spongy. Okay, don't add too much, friends. Just see accordingly. If you require, you can add. Our cake is already spongy, so we not have to add too much. So after this I'm going to add the dark chocolate sauce that we have prepared. See, you can pour it like this over our cake, and with the help of butter knife you can just in a circular motion just spread it over. See, like this, just spread it over completely. So these are all homemade cakes, friends, so it need not have to be as perfect as it is available in the market. So just see as per your requirement and decoration, you need some other things and stuffs you can use. So here I've used some dark chocolate crush and some chocolate sparkles. You can see in between I've added some dark chocolate and surrounded with some chocolate sparkles. So you can decorate it as per your convenience, friends. And if you like this video, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will come up with such easy recipe. As you have seen, this was very simple chocolate cake recipe. I'm just adding little cherry over it, so just to give it a nice look. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel.